This is Jigboman reporting live and direct. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and to our great mothers and every other person watching us. I want to use this opportunity to thank our customers and every other person. And also, if you are around Transeku, kindly watch this video carefully, and you can find a location where you can get your Jigbo through our video. Just try to get your Jigbo and have a test of this wonderful product. You will love it. If you are out for business, for distributorship, contact Jigboman. If you are out for sub distributor, contact Jigboman. If you also want to be a retailer, also contact Jigboman. Please do not forget, our new Facebook ID now is Jigboman. Our Instagram now is Jigboman. And our Twitter is Jigboman. YouTube, Jigboman. Please kindly watch us, follow us and share our videos. Nkabonkai.
Jigbo life in urban store. And I feel today everywhere. So come and get your own here if you are around Transeku. Come and get your Jigbo here in urban store. Jigboman reporting from Shoppers Gate, Transeku, live and direct. Come and grab your own, huh? Grab your Abacha Sharp Sharp. Come and grab your own. Jigboman reporting live and direct from Thinkwell Supermarket. Oh boy, come and grab your own here. How can they play the show? If they play the show, we are everywhere. Look at it. Grab your own here from Thinkwell Supermarket, Transeku. Jigboman reporting live and direct from Verozi, Transeku. You can have your own here. If you live around Transeku, you can have your Jigbo here. You can see.